Ever noticed your stomach growling, even when you're not hungry? That sound isn't your stomach begging for food. It's called borborygmi. Yeah, real science word. When your stomach and intestines contract, they push air, liquid, and leftover food around. That movement creates sound. And here's the wild part. Your stomach does this all the time, but when it's empty, there's nothing to muffle the noise. That's why it sounds louder during class, meetings, or the quietest room possible. Even stress, caffeine, or anxiety can make it louder. So next time your stomach growls, it's not embarrassing. It's just your body saying, I'm working.